get these streams going. Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday. Let's make some money today and run to the weekend.
Run. We're going to do cardio today.
We're going to run from the markets. As soon as we make our money, we're dipping.
Hey, I want to make you aware. It was, I don't know, it was a local thing, but I pulled up Ninja, and it stalled about an hour ago. It was just running in the background. So
Yeah.
I was like, okay, no, none of the things are moving. I wasn't sitting watching every play, but just letting you know.
No, I appreciate that. I'll know how Ninja's playing around or if it's acting up, if there's a lot of slippage on my first trade today. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Hamid. Good morning, Dre. Good morning, Smooth. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, boys. We're ready to print some money and, like I just said, run to the weekend. I'm just literally almost 1 week away from being back in Mexico, so I'm just mentally just trying to get to Mexico right now. That's it. I have 3 accounts I'm trying to get payouts on. I was trying to get them payouts today, but I told myself last night that if the moves aren't there, I'm not going to force it because I'm working on a $4,000 payout currently. And I'm like, if it's not there today, I'm not going to overdo it. I'll wait till Monday
because I put it all on the line to force it.
Yeah, it's not worth it. So I told myself, base hits, Duane, keep it simple.
You're like, yo, D-Rock, why don't you straight chill, brother?
Something like that. Let me pull up our stats here real quick. So right now we're sitting at the 21 EMA. We're sitting right at the 21 EMA currently. We have pivot points above us and below us. The pivot above us is sitting at 927.25, 927.25. The pivot below us is sitting at 667.50. Wow, I'm sorry, I have kids. I had to say 67.
Oh gosh,
it's crazy. It's crazy. We got the VWAP. VWAP is currently down around, I'll probably say 598.50 area, 598.50s for the VWAP. Then close from yesterday, 425.25. So let's see what we get, because if we push back down to fill that gap to close yesterday, that's doable and possible. We're going to see what we get today. Good morning, Corey. Good morning, Hassie or Hassaban. There we go. Dre, excited that you got your groove back, bro. I'm glad you got your groove back. Let me pull up the stream to make sure we're sounding crispy.
It's a little bit gurgly on my iPad right now. It's just a little muddy.
Okay, on mine it sounds good, and we don't have the echo on the voices right now.
Well, your voice is cutting out. It's like a little bit, just so you know.
Okay, that's weird. On the Zoom or the YouTube? Because on the YouTube it sounds fine.
I'm talking about the Zoom.
Okay.
It's like a slight waiver, you know. It's not too bad, but you're a beast when you come out with full audio. I mean, it's ridiculous.
I'm just bumping the music a little bit louder.
That could be it, because it could be the codec. It's like compressing.
Let's see. What do I type into search bar to get that chart? Corey, are you on trading? What platform are you trading on, bro? This is literally the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 2 minute, and Renko bars. trading view. I just set it up where you have the 1 minute, the 2 minute, and the 5 minute with Rinkos. That's it. All right, so music sounding better. Waiting for the voice now.
Ooh.
Yeah, we'll take that. It's the NQ, Corey. Nasdaq. We trade the Nasdaq over here. We like putting lightning in a bottle. It is good morning, family. Good morning, sir. Remember, it is base hits today. I'm watching you, sir. I'm watching you. We only need 245. That's all we need. I will be waiting the first 15 minutes here. Like usual, for everyone that's new in here, I wait the first 15 minutes of the opening to get that opening range set. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. We're gonna wait before we execute. BP, good morning. Noble, good morning, gentlemen. Hopefully you guys had a solid night. I felt like, listen, I stayed up last night late like BP, not gonna lie. I stayed up late, BP. I didn't go to bed till like after 3 a.m. One of my shows dropped a new season, and I had to watch it. I had to watch some of it. And man, it had me hooked. I'm like, oh, I don't want to go to bed. Have you ever had one of those, like, when you're in a really good show late night, and you're like, man, I need to be responsible in the morning, but I want to keep watching the show? Straight craziness. Noble, you're waking up in the middle of the night because I was still up. I'm like, Noble better make some money today. Like, he better make some money. I was talking about you last night watching the show. Like, if Noble doesn't print money tomorrow, we're going to have issues. You had to download it. You had to go to their ecosystem, NinjaTrade's ecosystem, and download Renko bars.
Ninja Renko.
Hamid, you can't be doing that, fam. Can't go for home runs. Base hits, and then you'll accidentally hit the home run. All right, so we're starting to come back down here slightly. Maybe we're going to get a little bear flag, but we are above the close from yesterday, above the VWAP currently. So let's just see what we actually get, because your boy's doing base hits. I'm not pushing it today. I've had a solid week in the markets. So, since I've had a solid week, I ain't trying to overdo it. I'm trying to take a 4K payout by Monday this coming week. So, I'm base hitting today. And I did get another 150K eval. Uh-oh. Because I blew one of my 150Ks with Tradeify earlier this week. So, I'm going to put money in that account and get that ready to get funded. Once I blow one of my other funded accounts, I just want to get it passed, so that way, if I blow another account, I have something ready. And that's all I do, folks. I'm maxed out with Tradeify currently. I have a funded. Well, no, I blew my funded with Lucid BP. Craziness. But I gotta get another Lucid account today as well. Actually, I'll do that today on stream. But I'm maxed out with Tradeify. My 5 fundeds. And we're just keeping it moving. That's it. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you had a solid evening last night. Stay safe in the markets today. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. There's risk to trading. And I'll let you know if I'm taking a risky trade, don't follow.
Market open.
There we go. There was that bear flag. We have a pivot point below us. We got the pivot below us here. 66725. 67. If you got kids, you know what I mean. Anyways. Listen, I'm running on a couple hours of sleep, so I may get a little wonky today. Who knows what's going to happen?
You're always wonky, but we love you anyway.
Dang, I didn't know I was always wonky. That's crazy. Where's the Renko bar setting in Ninja Trader? Did you already download them? You have to download Renko bars from the Ninja Trader ecosystem. So it's a third party. They don't have Renkos, just normal.
Ninja Renko. Duane, remember Ninja Ring.
Man, have to wait the first 15. Just seeing that little bear flag and that I would have been done for the day. $10,000. But we're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient.
Let's not start telling fish stories. Let's just catch them, boys.
Yeah, no fish stories over here. No fish stories over here. What's up, life? Good morning. So, one of my shows, there's this show on Netflix called The Lincoln Lawyer. I like the movie, The Lincoln Lawyer. So when they came out with the show, I had to watch it. They just dropped their 4th season. And it's all, if you like attorney stuff, everything like that, with like a little edge on it, you'll like The Lincoln Lawyer. Rules are rules, 100%, bro. But when you see money literally just going, it makes it hard for the rules, because we got this pivot point below us here. Yeah, I feel like we're going to close this gap from yesterday. But we're going to see what we get. Bulls they want to flip this candle, but I'm not sure if they're going to have enough momentum to do so. Oh, they just flipped it. That's dangerous. The way they just flipped that candle, be careful, boys. There's the 21 EMA tap. The 21 EMA did not hold us. Look at that momentum right there. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Life, it's too late, bro. I've already watched all the seasons for Tulsa King. Fire show as well. Look at that pump, boys. Look at that boner candle.
Is that like that's not in my my trading handbook, the boner candle.
Yeah, I didn't put that one. I did not put that one in the strategy video.
Okay, okay.
I told you I may get kind of wonky today.
It's got like porn music behind it. It's like wow, wow, wow.
That'd be crazy. They'd be like, "What did I sign up for?" Like they'd be like, "Did I sign up to learn how to trade, or did I click the wrong button? Like, what's going on here?"
The internet's a freaky place, man.
We just went through the overnight high right there as well.
Like, and we do standing still.
We do have a pivot point above us, 927. 927 is the pivot point above us here. But with how aggressive the bulls just flipped that candle, I mean, they flipped that hard. So I'm going to assume we're going to try building out a bull flag. Let's see if we get some structure on the 2-minute here to build out this flag. I would personally like some structure, but that's just me. Izzy, how much you make, bro? Tell me. I need to know, I'm trying to live through you right now. Wave Austin, you made a band. That's good job, bro. Keep printing your monies a day, folks. Keep printing your money. Noble's up 900, man. Whenever I see y'all just like printing money, I'm sitting on the sidelines being like, coach, put me in. Like, man.
But you are the coach. That's kind of a weird like internal dialogue.
I wouldn't say I'm the coach. You know what I'm saying? I'm a player too here.
Oh wait. You're the mascot.
I'm the mascot. That's crazy. So I literally keep y'all entertained. That's it. So you passed it?
Hey, can you see on the list is Moose in here?
I'm in here.
Okay.
Good morning.
Hey there, how you doing, Moose?
Good.
Let's see if we build the structure here. Good job if you pass that account, bro. Happy for you, man. Congratulations.
I just wanted to say like hello to Moose, so that's all.
What's up, Mr. Mooser?
He's not using his real name. It's unprofessional, actually.
It's unprofessional.
Big cash money. Bag cash money.
Big cash money. All right, so we still have a lot of buying pressure. Right now. So that's good. That makes me intrigued. We have this pivot point above us where I'm hoping I need less than 9 minutes now, and I'll be cleared to trade here. But I hope we just build structure on this flag before it goes so I can jump in on it.
Dwayne's like, as long as this flag will last for 9 minutes, I'm gonna be happy.
If it was with Tradeify, yes. If it was with Lucid, give it a couple minutes and you would be able to activate it right away. But Tradeify, they update their dashboard between like 5:30 and like 6. So we're getting this bull flag right here. Want to see the momentum though. Or are we going to continue building structure? We got 23 seconds left on this candle. It may go on the next candle, to be real. Let's see if the bears can hold this price down so this candle stays red. Because if not, this thing's getting ready to pump.
Pump it up.
There's the pump.
442.
Man, everyone's printing but me right now. Oh, I didn't get the market. Come on, 945.
I got Ninja Trader approved.
Nice.
So I just need to ask some questions later.
Okay. Alrighty. Well,
as well, right?
Yeah, I'm trading on it right now. I only when I'm home, I only execute on Ninja Trader. When I'm traveling, I execute on Tradeivate.
And they both have wrinkles?
No, the Ninja Trader is like the one that has the other one has the wrinkles, but this one has the wrinkles.
Yeah, if you want the wrinkles moves for Ninja Trader, go in the vault. They're under the strategy. I put the PDF file.
Oh my god.
Or the file for the wrinkle bars.
Big T just made another 4,000.
Nah, 2,500.
Oh man, I'm getting ready to get on stream. Y'all getting ready to make me FOMO. Y'all making too much money a day without me.
G's got to have like 18 payouts coming out like next Tuesday.
Yo, G, are you doing more than two contracts?
Just 2 contracts. Just 2.
He's doing 42 contracts. He just moved one tick.
If that was 42, I would have had about 20 bands.
You would have had more than 20 bands, bro. With 40 contracts, you would have had way more than 40 bands.
It's like you don't even see the candle move, and he's like 5,000. Get it, G, get it.
Wave, yes, but it doesn't have the same Rinkos. So we have the software base for Ninja on the computers. I know my time's coming. I got 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And I'm just sitting here like, Coach, put me in. Put me in. Gold crashing. Well, it had that crazy pump. So what goes up must come down.
Well, that and the new Fed share that looks like they're going to get confirmed. It's like people aren't as squirrely as Powell.
Okay. Come on, Betsy. Put me in. Dylan, good morning. You changed your color on your icon, sir. Good morning. I peep everything. Oh, man, we're right here at this pivot point. Almost like someone's called a pivot point. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know who, but Jesus. Today we're going to be printing, boys. Today we will be printing. I did not see any news for today. Good morning, LJ. Before it was like light purple or blue, I forget. Or maybe I'm bugging. I'm running on very little sleep. I was up late last night watching a TV show.
Tulsa King.
No, not Tulsa King. I've already finished all those seasons, so not Tulsa King. I was watching The Lincoln Lawyer last night. PMI at 10. Where are you looking at that, bro? I don't have any of that. I have next news is on the 10th, retail sales. The 11th is non-farm. The 12th, we got initial jobs claims, existing home sales. The 13th, so that week we'll have some good news.
News at 10, right?
Lincoln Lawyer. What was that?
News at 10.
Yeah, I didn't see on the calendar for Creatify, but I'll believe you. I'll believe you.
On Forex, it says 10 a.m. Inflation. I don't even know how to pronounce this shit. Let's just say this news, all right? before the internet goes ham on me. You know, they have no chill.
Okay, BP saying news as well. So be
BP,
careful at 10 o'clock. Be careful at 10.
I'm like, BP, you pronounce it.
Yeah, have BP pronounce it.
Yeah.
Almost cleared here.
If you think about it, this was the same setup as yesterday. Consolidated 15, and then blew up a engulfing candle, then we traced an engulfing candle.
Yeah. I just like that today right now it's not choppy yet.
Is it making a flag right now?
I'm hoping for a flag.
On the 1 minute, right?
I would not go on the 1 minute flag because that, if you look at it wrong, it'll be trying to tell you it's going to be a bear flag on the 1 minute.
Gotcha.
I'm looking at the buying wick on the 5 minute, so that's showing me that buyers are stepping in. So I don't want to short into a buying wick.
No, don't do it.
Gotcha. I got you. I get what you're saying. So 5 minute or higher, right?
No, I do the 5 minute, the 2 minute, and the 1 minute.
No, but I'm saying to better confirmation of a flag.
The 2 minute, the 5 minute.
Gotcha.
So if you're looking at the 1 minute, I would want to go see what we got printing on the 2 minute and the 5 minute.
Gotcha.
So say you see a bull flag or a bear flag on the 1, I'll look at the higher time frame to see what's going on the 2 minute and the 5.
Okay.
If we keep trucking, where's our next?
I'll be waiting for the breakout so I can start calling out targets. We just pushed through
We're almost at it. Okay, go on. I'm sorry.
We just pushed through that pivot point there. So as long as we stay above the pivot, we'll close that 961. That's the high from yesterday. We'll hit that one as well.
Sorry to disturb. Another 1,300 right there.
This guy.
Damn.
This guy, he's trying to make me take a trade just to say I'm in because he's printing right now. But good job, G.
Hey, G,
good job.
Mind if I borrow your G? Can I borrow your Jaguar? I was gonna try to drive it and impress somebody. Fucking amazing.
We're printing this morning, boys. We're printing. The Legacy Wealth Society is printing this morning. You're on the call with the Market Makers YouTube. Welcome to the stream if you're new here. We do this Monday through Friday for the New York session. We trade live with y'all. And then I do a traders hangout every single night where we talk about trading, we talk about life and everything in between. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you come back to visit because you won't see a better stream than this. Just saying. Go ahead, Hamid. Hamid's printing too. Everybody's printing this morning, except me because, all right, we're officially clear to trade. And we just popped out of the 15-minute range as well. With the quick retest. Did the quick retest here of the 15 once again below the pivot point. Alrighty. Now let me see if I could execute a trade.
We got red folder news at 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Everyone's been telling me.
Okay.
600 daily payouts. Go ahead, Dylan. Good job, bro. Waiting for the move right now. Waiting for the move.
Gee, because another 1,300.
LJ just made 1,300. Man,
hey, let's go.
Everybody is printing. The market makers are printing this morning.
2,300 right now.
Damn.
Put me in, coach. Put me in. We're back above this pivot point. Getting ready. All right, just breaking out of that range once again. We're currently in the 15-minute range right now. I want to see us stay above this pivot point, above the pivot point. Let's maybe build a nice little flag. Then give us the good momentum here. And your boy's going to be all up in that. All right, let's see if we use that pivot to hold us up. Nope. Just lost that pivot point there. I want us to stay above the pivot for the long here. Because I don't want to see us dancing on the pivot point. And when I say dancing, I mean on my Renko bars when we're like going up and down right on the pivot. All right, 40 seconds on this candle on the 2-minute chart. Let's see if we on the next candle we get some momentum. I want this candle to stay red. I would like the bears to keep this candle red.
I love when you say that, and as soon as you say red, it goes green.
They're listening, man. They're listening. Oh, look, that's dangerous. That's dangerous. Be careful, boys. That was a massive chop right there. Massive chop. I wanted to say red, but I was not expecting that like that.
Yeah, now you're just showing off, man.
So right now, at the high of this 15-minute range, we got a lot of resistance up here. The bulls are having issues pushing through. Let's see if we get the momentum. We still got these buying wicks here. We still got these buying wicks. At this point, I want us to clear 949, 949.75. I want to clear that wick there with momentum. We're trying to. I can't change the shape of my head, sadly.
What does that mean?
Oh, someone's like, you still have a small head. All right, there we go. We just we still haven't cleared it yet, actually. Come on, Betsy. All right, just cleared it. Just cleared the yesterday's high as well.
Another 550.
Good job, Moves.
1046.
No, it's actually 953. I'm just kidding. I'm teasing.
I closed at $200. I only got $80 on that. That's crazy. That's frustrating. But aren't the markets closed? No, the markets are wide open. All right, my first target to the upside here. First target to the upside is 25,064. 25,064, boys. Let's see if we get another flag here. I need some better momentum here. Now I'm just going to start cycling through my accounts. Yeah, Chef Moose is cooking. Chef Moose is definitely cooking today. Let's rotate. Oh, so that was on that account. Oops. I thought it was a different account that I took the trade on, but it was not, so that's good to know.
Man, I should have stayed in.
Jax.
I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm cool.
Yeah, walk away then, Moose. I know you. I know you, sir. Walk away.
Let's make some more money, Moose.
No, do not hold him.
Yo, listen.
Moose,
listen.
walk away.
D, I got mad love for you, but every time I go reverse on 2 contracts, I think of you, and I'm like, this damn guy. I don't know why he told me about this. I put it. All the blame is on you, G.
All the blame's on you.
I don't care if I'm the one. I don't care if I'm the one pressing the buttons.
Listen, you asked how much contracts I was using. I'm using 2. That's it.
No. We're gonna go back. We're gonna backdate to like 3 months ago.
Okay,
I was like,
I was
hey,
on 4. I was on 4, but I haven't been on 4 since then.
Exactly. So now you throw me that. You throw me the little bone. I jump in and you're like, oh no, I'm not doing that because that's dangerous. But you ain't tell me that part. So the whole blame is on you.
It's dangerous because you see how much accounts I done lost. I'm like, let me cut it down now.
Look at that retracement down to the pivot point.
Oh, that's a Moose term.
You know what I'm saying? I had to say the retracement for Moose.
A retracement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Moose is coming 5 minutes. This candle's gonna close bearish.
Let me close that. Close it. Why did it not let me close?
Oh,
Jesus.
Oh, don't say that.
Yeah.
That was scary.
What?
I didn't get filled. I did not get filled, so I went to close it because whenever I don't get filled right at my entry point and I get tagged in, I always lose money.
Yeah, because It's like you're in a car and it puts you on the wrong side of the freeway going the wrong way. It's like But driving into traffic, yeah.
Yo, what up, guys?
What's up, Mitch? 190 on that trade. I should have held a little bit longer, but I'm just quick little scalps right now. Quick little scalp. I'm doing base hits. I'm not trying to push it because I'm working on a 4K payout. Yeah, I ain't trying to just risk it for the biscuit, but look at that dump now. Jesus. What great movement we're getting today. Slightly scary all at the same time, but we love the volatility. Can I please get a freaking flag?
It's the fake out. Trust me, it's gonna go right back up.
We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes till red folder news from the chat. Everyone was saying we got red folder news at 10. We went through that 21 EMA like it wasn't even there.
It's gonna come down to 828.
828.
Yeah.
Okay, I got my middle of the 15-minute range at 821.75 currently.
Okay, pretty much like same row. I have an EMA there. That's why I have a 9.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm done. 25 for the day. I'm good.
Make sure you guys are posting this in the discussion because y'all be winning and some of y'all don't be posting it.
Oh,
it's not real till you post it.
I post everything.
I know you do, G. I'm not talking about you, big baller shot caller. You know what I'm saying?
I'm trying to be like you, Duane. I'm trying to be like you, man.
Hey.
You the one taking the trip, everything. Come on now. I ain't taking one yet.
I'm not taking trips. I'm just changing location. I don't go on vacation, folks. Your boy simply changes location. Yeah, I gotta get a shirt made like that. I don't vacation. I change location. G don't miss. Listen, G's dialed, boys. I've seen him go from baby steps to now full on sprint. Like the Olympics. This man is crushing it. Happy for him.
Gee, are you using the Duane technique?
Yeah, of course.
Nice.
I look at once I see a
there's a bear flag print on the 2 minute.
Bear, I'm selling. If I see a bull, I'm buying. It's that simple. Or I sell at the top and buy at the bottom.
Nice. That's beautiful, G.
Izzy, you're hilarious, bro. I don't drink, so I'm never drunk. Sorry to disappoint.
That'd be scary if you were drink.
Yes, sir.
You want to hear a crazy story?
Yeah, I'm all ears.
Last night, my sister, my mom flew into Florida, into Fort Lauderdale, but my sister told me the wrong location, and I didn't really check the flight thing to see where it was really landing.
Yeah.
So I drove to Orlando, not knowing that my mom was actually flying to Fort Lauderdale.
God, no.
And she's like, "Hey, I just landed. It looks like you're in Orlando." I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "I'm in Fort Lauderdale." I was like, "Bro."
That sucks, bro. Sorry, you had a long night. You had a long night.
Where do you live?
And where do you live? Stewart. It's about halfway between the two.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so it was an hour 55 to, I took the turnpike, so hour 55 to Orlando, but actually for me it was a little less than that.
Yeah, you know how you drive.
I drove the 3 hours to Fort Lauderdale. My mom, I got there, she's like, "Wow, you got here a lot sooner than I thought you would." I'm like, "Yeah, I mean, I was averaging 95 to 100 on the highway."
Thank God you didn't get any tickets, bro.
No, sir. I did see one cop hit his brakes to flip into one of those U-turn spots. but I never saw him like move. So oh, thank God.
And you're going too fast, anyways. There's 10 o'clock. There's 10 o'clock news right there. There's the dance of the 10 o'clock news.
But hey, I got her home in record time. We were home by like 1:15 a.m.
More
So you
power
think
to
we're
you,
gonna be
fam.
home at like 3?
Yeah, we're not gonna touch that.
I may drive back down to South Florida next week. Get some more custom cards made.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? Like, once you get one or two made, you're like, I need all my cards switched over. I just didn't have certain cards with me because I wasn't thinking about them. But now I'm like, I need all my cards. Custom. All right, we're coming closer and closer to the middle of this 15-minute range. I need to make some more money. But actually, that's the wrong way to look at this, right? Because I've already made money. I just haven't hit my 1,000 for the day yet. And I'm trying to do base hits, get to Monday, finish it up, take a 4K payout, and we'll be okay with that. There's the middle of the 15-minute range. This thing's still falling. And then there's the bulls pumping it. Trying to, at least. Let's get a flag below this 15-minute middle of the range here. Do not diddle in the middle, boys. Do not diddle in the middle.
Hey, boys up 300 on the day.
Hey.
Nice.
Green is green. That's why for me, I told myself, like, I'm not trying to push anything. Because when I push, that's when I make mistakes. So I'm like, I'm right here close to a 4K payout. There's no reason why I'm trying to go full port, knock it out the park.
Full port? I heard him say full port, guys.
No full ports, boys. No full ports. Scrub it. Scrub the full port. Scrub the full port.
Where's BP at? Is he on the stream?
He's in the chat on YouTube.
How long news normally lasts for?
What?
If there's a news, how long does it normally last?
We're done with the news right now.
Oh,
So it's normally about a minute or so for the news, and we'll get like leveled, keeled, and everything after a minute or two. So we're below the middle of the 15-minute range here. Your boy wants to see a bear flag. Your boy wants to see another bear flag because we hit the high from yesterday. Now I want to see us potentially go down and close the gap from the close from yesterday. That'd be pretty nice. I need a flaggy flag.
Oh man, should have taken this drop right here.
No, you shouldn't have. You already made your money for the day.
Yeah,
You
you're
shouldn't.
done.
You shouldn't
I
have.
don't want to hear your shit.
Yep, you said that, Moose. Yep, you done for the day.
Right.
Uh-huh. Yep.
You're
Drive
right. You're right.
turkey.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Good
Listen,
morning,
I'm
Sydney.
I'm up 1150.
Yeah.
Yo, what's
Walk
up,
away,
bro?
bro. We got the VWAP coming up. We got the VWAP coming up.
Yo, G. How are
It
you?
just hit VWAP
How you
on
doing so
15
far?
minutes.
761.25. 761.25. Well, no, 761.50. 761.50 is the VWAP.
What'd you say, Sil?
On the 15, right?
No, that's on my 2-minute.
Oh, on the 15. I'm sorry, on the 15, not the 50. The 15, it already hit VWAP. Just a heads up.
Okay. Let's see. Legacy, the market makers are printing money today. Like, I'm happy for all of them. They're straight crushing it, y'all. They're straight crushing it. And it's like one of those proud father moments. Like when you see your kids actually, you teach them something, they actually do well. Like, you're a proud dad. That's how I feel right now. So even though I haven't hit my G a day, keep the bills away today, I am excited for all you guys. Excited for all you guys, for real.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
We're trading the Nasdaq. We trade the Nasdaq live Monday through Friday, and we start at 9:20 a.m. Welcome. All right, we got a lot of selling pressure. Woo, okay. Get me excited. I move my line down a little bit. Let's see if we start falling. Oh, Nelly, come on. Touch my yellow line with follow through.
Let me go get breakfast and a coffee. I gotta get out of here. Dwayne's in a thing. Look, he's deep in thought.
No, I just jumped into a trade.
Oh.
Don't like that dance right there. Come on, Bears. Flush it.
Right there, you're good.
I closed it. 270. I closed it. I closed it, boys. That's why you the GOAT. Is, yo.
How many contracts you doing right now?
That was only 2 contracts, but we just tapped the VWAP. I'm just rotating through my accounts today, folks. I'm getting ready to get a 4K payout with Tradeify, so I'm just rotating base hitting today, not risking it for the biscuit, if you know what I mean. You just set it on your Ninja Trader, bro, if you're trading on Ninja Trader. So we just had another bear flag, right? And boys, what's my favorite line about flags?
I don't want to repeat myself. I didn't want to repeat myself on that one.
Yes, the flags always repeat themselves. So if you don't catch the first flag, right, you wait for the next flag. And you just keep doing it that way. We tap the VWAP. So let's see. I want to get below the VWAP here. So that way I can take another short. But I want to wait till we get below the VWAP. Jax, the payouts come from the firms that you trade with, right? For prop firms. So you pass the evaluation account, showing them that you know how to trade. Then you get put into a sim funded account. So on your sim funded, you can make money. If you're wondering, well, how can you pay, or how do they have the money to pay you? It's simple. They make money off of traders failing. So if you show that you're a good trader, you can make money because all the other traders are normally failing their accounts, blowing $100, and they repeat the cycle constantly because everyone wants to learn how to trade, but no one's doing it the right way. That's why you should join the Legacy Wealth Society. It's free to join and come to these streams because I'm showing you guys each and every day how to trade the safe way, as safe as possible. Why do they pay good traders? That's the whole part of the prop firm. They make money on bad traders and they pay the good traders. Let's see if we get a flag here, another flaggy flag. Looks like we're building structure. Let me bring this line down because this is looking like a bear flag right there on that 1 minute. But we're above the VWAP. We tapped that VWAP and we pushed up. That's why I'm not very... Oh, let's take another short above the VWAP. I want to get below the VWAP for the short. So 100% smooth. And also, it's a nice entry point to get into trading without investing your hard-earned money. Like, you pay for your eval, so they're making money on you. And the more accounts you blow, the more money they're making, because they're not paying out on blown accounts. All right, let's see if we start what we do here. BP, Brett, how you guys feeling? How you guys feeling this morning? Oh, thank you, Steve. Thank you, millionaire. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Are you guys up, down, all around this morning?
Green like a motherfucker.
Well, I'm currently green as well. And actually, I'm going to rotate to a different account. I'm going to switch over to one of my 150Ks that I need to put more money in.
You know, it's like the Jesus is a centurion. You're over a lot of men. Can you send a patrol car over by Moose's house to make sure he's not taking any more trades?
No, I'm done.
He is real quiet today. Moose is real quiet. He made his money, y'all. He made his money. He said, "Oh, I'm not trading no more." And then he said what every trader says. "Oh, I should have taken that one." After he said he's done.
Look, and if you listen in the background, you can hear him breathing, and his breathing is starting to increase.
That's my bulldog.
What a great line to say on the third date.
That's what... All right, so we tapped that 21 EMA, guys. For all the new people in here, welcome. We stream this every single Monday through Friday. The New York session, we trade live. You're trading live with the Legacy Wealth Society market makers and myself and the YouTube chat. Welcome, everybody. Tonight we do have the Traders Hangout, which we do every single night, where we talk about trading, we talk about life, and everything in between. Welcome. Hopefully you guys are enjoying and you're printing money with us today. Stay safe in the markets, because there is risk at trading, and I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. I had to throw the disclaimer in there. All right, boys, I'm back. What we doing? Where are we printing?
You know,
I feel like BP just said, "Go full port." BP just got in my head and said full port. We're going through my yellow line.
I just want to say I enjoy whenever, Duane, that you're doing your little spiel on welcome to the stream and all that stuff, and we got, Trader Hangout tonight. We all are like quiet and listening and like respecting it. I think it's dope.
I'm sorry, Mitch. I was in a trade right there. 945 on that trade. Rotating. We're rotating, folks. I'm sorry. We touched the VWAP, but we went through my line with momentum. So I had to take it. I had to take it, boys. Your arms are bigger than your head. Well, it's not that they're actually bigger. It's like I have my desk raised a little bit so I can rest my arms on top and like just relax. Because if I bring the desk down, like, come on down with me. Come on down, folks. There we go. Now they probably don't look as big. But I like them a little bit, like my desk a little bit higher, like close to chest level. So I can lean on the desk while I'm in a bad trade, hold on to the wall like this. So don't you close, like one of those. But
bro's fighting.
Wait, I want to see how this candle, we got 20 seconds left pretty much. 20 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. I want it to stay green and then the next one red to drop us. But that's just me. That's just me. And the bulls are not stepping in. Bulls, I needed more than that, gentlemen. Unacceptable. All right, we're coming down to this VWAP again on the 2-minute chart. Want us to get below. Once we get below, I feel this VWAP, we may start waterfalling. Just saying. Want to get below the VWAP because we keep tapping it and we get bought up. So I want to see us get through the VWAP with momentum. Let's pull this line down right there. Legacy, the market makers today are printing money today. And I'm a proud papa. I'm a proud papa today for the market makers. What can I say? I enjoy seeing y'all win. And that's real. I enjoy seeing y'all win. All right, we're coming, tapping this VWAP again. Are we going to finally clear? There's the clear. Let's see if we get bought back up. We have not tested the low of this 15-minute range yet. Want to get away from this VWAP. I want to get away from this VWAP right now.
My
because
VWAP showing below us.
What was that?
My VWAP is showing below us. Is my chart off like 24,709?
My VWAP is currently sitting right at 766 on my 2-minute chart.
That's wild.
And we keep tapping it and bouncing.
That's kind of scary that it's that far off.
So just push through the middle of the 15-minute range. Getting ready to tap the 21 EMA. Here comes the 21 EMA tap. We almost tapped it. We missed it by like a tick. Let's wait for it. There we go. There's the tab. And that was sitting right at 833.25. Let's see how we react right here because we're close to the middle of this 15-minute range as well. So, you know I don't diddle in the middle, boys. We don't diddles in the middles. Oh, I gotta order that. I'm slacking. Hold on. I gotta spend some money real quick. I gotta buy this like this small little table that's gonna sit over there where the bear's at. Actually, I need a measure to make sure that it's gonna be tall enough. So in a few minutes, I gotta get up and measure real quick before I buy this desk off Amazon.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's actually going to stand up live. Can we believe this?
Okay, if the market starts dumping when I stand up right now, I need y'all to say strawberries very loud, market makers, so I know I got to run back to hit sell, okay? Just saying. All right, how big is this table? Corner desk? Oh, it's not even a desk. 19 inches high. Okay. All right. Let's check it out. Yes, I do have a tape measure. Did our music stop? We finished that playlist already? Jesus. All right, the market's still sitting here, so I didn't miss anything crazy.
Are you going to be putting your desk in that corner of the room, or are you just standing in the back for dramatic effect?
No. So I'm getting a glass. I want a glass corner little table to put where my bear's at over there, so I can have the light underneath shining up through it. You know what I'm saying? Give it a nice cool effect.
You're getting artistic on us again.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make it better each and every day, so to speak. I want these streams to be better. Market running. Well, you're supposed to say pizza. I'm giving you all the code words. Pizza for longs, strawberry shortcake for shorts. That's a joke, by the way. If you hear a market maker jokingly say one of those names, do not take a trade. They're joking around. It's an inside joke with the market makers. Or is it?
Guys, have a good day. I gotta get out of here. Duane, I'll see you tomorrow at 9:30.
Yes, sir. Make sure you put your wins in the discussion, sir.
I am. I'm gonna do it right now.
All right.
All right.
Have you always been a scalper? If not, what caused you to start? It's not Corey. I'm not. Yes, I scalp, but like today, I was just trying to do base hits because I'm working on a 4K payout from Tradeify. So I just didn't want to risk it for just anything, because even if I can't take the payout on Monday, I'll take it on Tuesday. I'm no longer forcing my payouts how it was last year, because I told myself a payout's better than no payout. So if it takes me a day, 2 days extra to get the payout, I don't mind anymore, because at least I'm getting the money. Where a lot of traders, they get close to a payout, and what do? We go on full tilt, we blow the account. We're right there ready to pass the eval stage, and we go on tilt. Why? Because we put too much pressure on ourselves, because we're trying to have it done in a certain amount of days. Where with this, it doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as you get the reward, the payout, the funded account. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just taking my time these days. So today I took a couple scalps just so I could put money in the accounts and kept it moving. We got this pivot point above us. I'm like slightly tempted to honestly just test it. Only that's, bro, listen, you'll get home runs swinging for base hits. But if you go home runs, you won't get base hits. BP, if it's still moving up and you like what it's looking like, wait for your next entry and take it, bro. Right here, let's see if we build a little bull flag. Well, we just engulfed that previous candle, so never mind. That's crazy. That's crazy. That pullback right there was nasty.
That's craziness right there.
Craziness.
You gotta love it.
All right, we're down here close to the middle of the 15-minute range once again. Alrighty. Well, only happy for you. Glad you hit your first green week. Many more to come for you, sir. Many more to come. All right, we're tapping my yellow line that I had on my 2-minute chart on my trading view that you guys can't see. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I still want to get below that VWAP for me to feel like, okay, let's take a short. Right now, let's see if we build a flag here. Actually, I'm gonna move this right there. There we go. Come on, Betsy. Come on. Give us something good here. Give us something good. All right, well, I'll move this up just slightly, but I probably won't take it higher than right there. So if the bears don't step in and push that price down, it'll negate this flag that I was looking for. Yeah, that flag's negated right there, boys.
That's a negatory on the flag.
Yeah.
Forget it ever even was.
Yeah, it was never even drawn. But right now, so we're in this tight range right now. We're in this tight range now because whenever we come up to, where is it at? Where's my cursor? There we go. So 905. And then I'll probably say down here around the 806s. This is the range that we're sitting in right now. Waiting to get out of this range inside of the 15-minute range. There's 900. We know the market moves sporadic at those whole numbers. What's up, Sammy? So for this week, I put in my accounts over 11 grand. So this week is a completely green week for me. Over 11 grand. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We'll take that. Bro, I got the same dent.
Nice work, Dwayne. Nice work.
I'm happy about it, but I'm also like, man, I need 10 grand payouts now. You know what I'm saying? Each week. But hey, I'll take a 10 grand week. We'll take that. Still got 3 more weeks to go. Dapu or Depu or I'm just gonna say D. I'm gonna say D. You're not alone, bro. You're not alone. There's a lot of us out here. There's a lot of us out here. It's from where our parents dropped us on our head. Listen, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, all right? Your boy's drinking bottles already. It's not even 11 o'clock. We're popping bottles. Don't worry. It's Mountain Valley. It's Mountain Valley spring water. All right, we good, folks. We good. I'm not a degenerate. Yeah, we got a lot of selling pressure up here, but who's going to win? At this point, I want to see on the 5 minutes start building another flag on the 5 to give me some warm and fuzzy. You know what I'm saying? Your boy needs some warm and fuzzies. All right, don't judge your boy. He needs warm and fuzzies. For all the new people in here, let me know where you guys are tuning in from, because we got people in here from every corner of the world. And I'd love to see what corner you guys are tuning in from. Welcome. if this is your first time, we do this Monday through Friday for the New York session. You're trading live with myself and the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society, my private free trading community, by the way. You guys should check us out. The Netherlands, that's awesome. Love to see how far these streams actually reach. Altamont Springs, I know Altamont well. Tonight, we have the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which we do every single night of the week, where we talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. Come hang out with us. We may get wild tonight. Who knows what's going to happen on tonight's stream, but it's going to be a blast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got to let YouTube know that this is the best stream on YouTube, okay? On YouTube. Like, yes, on this channel tonight, we do the Traders Hangout. So every single night, we do the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where we talk trading, life, everything in between. And Monday through Friday, we trade the New York session live with you guys starting at 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time until 11:30. I stream twice a day. And on the weekends, it goes just once a day for the Hangouts. What's up, Jeff? Welcome. Let's see now if we start getting this flag here. Your boy needs a flaggy flag. Bro, if you're in bed at that time, that's okay, fam. That's okay. We stream every day for y'all. My goal this year is to help over 10,000 traders take real profits from the market. That's my goal for this year. We're pushing for 10,000 members in Legacy Wealth Society as well, which is free to join. Because I truly know what trading can do for y'all, to give you guys the lifestyle and the freedom that all of us desire. So that's why I stream so heavy, because I truly want to see you guys win. And just being real, I want to be the largest trader globally, known trader globally, not because of how much money we print, but because of how many people I actually help print money. So let's see what we get here. Jeff, those are Renko bars. I use that to confirm the momentum of the market, sir. Put it like this. That's the heartbeat of the market. That's the heartbeat. So every candle that prints, this is what's happening inside the regular candlesticks. That's how I'm able to enter and exit so quickly, because I know when to jump in and when not to jump in. Jax, I'm glad you're tearing up, bro. I'm glad you're tearing up, fam. Took a 240 trade right there. We had that pivot point. I did not want us to tap in and reject, because believe it or not, that does happen. Sometimes when we touch those pivots, we do reject sometimes. So I took some quick profit there. Let's see if I can get another entry. Then I trade with Tradeify, Lucid Trading, and Take Profit Trader in that order. I'm fully maxed out on Tradeify with 5 funded accounts. I have pro accounts as well, working on some to get some more fundeds with Lucid also. Do I have discount codes? Only for Tradeify. I'm currently only affiliated with Tradeify, working on getting affiliated with the other ones. But use code LWS for the Legacy Wealth Society. That's our private trading community, which is free to join, by the way. Yeah. So we're still below this pivot. I want to get above this pivot if I'm trying to take another long. That's just me. Just saying, folks. Just saying. If you're going with Tradeify, I recommend getting the select account. Get the select account. You won't be disappointed with it. I do have growth accounts as well, but I like to select more now because you don't have a profit target you have to hit in your funded account. Where on the growth account, you have to hit 3K for your every payout. All right, we're dancing on the pivot. Y'all know I don't like dance on the pivot. Bullnox is okay. I've never traded with them, Ben, but pick which one works best for you. You know what I'm saying? Pick which one works best for you. The main reason why I truly enjoy trading with Tradeify is their back office is so clean. Their trading dashboard to see your accounts, everything like that, is the cleanest. And they have their own built-in journal with the news, everything like that, so you can see it, check your stats, see how your trade performance. That's why I really like them, because they give the traders more information so you can actually learn and grow based on what you're doing in the markets. Come on, Betsy. It's 10:37. Daddy trying to make some more money. We already hit over $1,000 for the day, so like my saying goes, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. We kept the bills away once again today, so your boy is extremely happy about that. Let's see if I can get this update for me real quick. Gotta wait 5 seconds. No, it's not updated yet. Your phone's downstairs, babe. Sorry. My girl pinged her phone. She's trying to find it. So, just messing with her. Right now, we're consolidating. From consolidation, the move happens. Right now, my Renko bar chart here, this top chart, you guys are seeing the real crazy looking chart. That's called consolidation. From the consolidation, the move happens. Yeah, we're trying to build a bull flag right here on the 2-minute chart, but I don't like how we're below this pivot point. Like, we gotta get through that pivot and push a little bit further for me to want to take this trade. But I'm also like, do I even take another trade since I did make over 1,000 a day? Do I just like not risk it for the biscuit and go until the weekend completely green for the week? Decisions. How do I get this? Well, sadly, these Renko bars that I found something pretty much similar. It's in the vault in the community that you guys can download. If you have access to the vault for the Legacy Wealth Society, But you literally can go on Ninja Trader, go to their ecosystem, type in Renko bars, and they have something just like this. The reason why I haven't upgraded my trading computer is because if I do, I'll lose these bars. Because these bars were like from 5-6 years ago. But I found something pretty similar. Steve G, the bar that you guys downloaded is pretty close to these, correct or no?
Yeah, I mean, I'm telling you, I have the same thing on my screen, baby. Ninja Renko.
All right, there we go.
Well,
All right,
listen,
there's the
I was on your butt for like before we were on YouTube asking about it. And he's like, Steve again? Like, damn fucking right. Damn Skippy, bitch. Tell me about the bars.
Whoa, calm it down, sir. Calm it down, all right?
I'm just trying to.
I have virgin ears over here, okay? They're virgin ears.
Yeah, I could say something about that too, but
solid wheat. Oh, yeah, solid wheat. Okay, so the bars that in the vault, I put the bars in there for y'all to download. They're exactly the same. Everyone's saying, so we'll take it. We'll take it. Come on, let's get above this pivot. I'm ready to take a long here. But we gotta push through this pivot with momentum. With momentum. How does it feel to be a freshly funded trader, sir? Because you passed that account today, bro. Monday. So next week, literally, bro. If you just stay dialed in, you could get a payout next Friday. Base hits, people. Base hits pays the bills. Just saying, base hits pay the bills. So we're just sitting here dancing underneath this pivot. I want to get above the pivot so I can take a long. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. We're above the pivot now. We did break out of the 15-minute range there as well. Let's see if we retest this pivot point, but I want to stay above it. Even if we retest it, I want us to stay above the pivot, so I can take a long here. We did not retest. Are we getting ready to do the full breakout? Oh, Jax, I'm very relaxed, sir. I'm very relaxed. Oh, it is. Once you get that first payout, bro, once you get your first payout, sir, you will be like, what took me so long? Because all you do once you get your first payout, rinse and repeat. Do not change your strategy. Do not change what you're looking for. Do everything exactly the same, base hitting each and every day, and you will build multiple payouts every single month. That's what I do. I base hit it. If I hit a home run, I'm thankful. But next trade I take, I'm looking for a base hit still. I'm not, just because I may have a couple $1,000 trades in a row, I'm not looking for a couple $1,000 trades every single time. I'm okay 240 a day, 500, 1,000, because I'm trading multiple accounts. So I don't need to make all my money in one account. I spread it across all my funded accounts and I grow them all each and every day. That's why I'm able to take payouts from multiple accounts, because I base hit every day through all my accounts. Let's get you where you can replace your income before you do that one. You know what I'm saying? Let's replace your income. Like, so keep trading how you're doing on the road, everything like that. And once you get to the point where you're making more money from trading than your job, then you fire them. Jeff, that happens a lot, to be honest with you, with funded traders. They do blow their funded accounts. But even if you're blowing your funded account, right? As long as you take a profit on the account, you won. And that's real. As long as you get out more than what you put into the account, you won. You made your money, make more money. Did I not get my full fill? All right, $4.95 in this account now. What's up, Suf? Suf, even if you can't make these streams, right? We do the hangout as well every night. So, whatever works for you, bro, we're here for you. Want to see you win at this for real. Jeff, yes, I do. That's my hack. That's my hack. Like, this is the secret sauce to trading, y'all. It's the secret sauce. All right, so we're breaking out from this 15-minute range now. I want to see actual flag. Jeff, it moves crazy for you because right now you're not used to how it moves. I enter on the heartbeat chart. You know what I'm saying? We enter on this, but I use the 2 minute, the 5 minute, the 1 minute as references. So I'm looking for my flags, bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. And once I see the momentum on the heartbeat, then I'll execute the trade. So our current high for this session is 984. 984 is the high for today's session. But what's cool is the Renko bars, it tells you what's happening inside the standard candlesticks. So inside the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 5 minute, this is what's happening. Picture yourself taking an x-ray of the market. The x-ray of every candle. This is what you'll see inside of it. The push and pull. The push and pull. Stuff I do wait for good entries. Like right now, I'll be looking to see if we build a bull flag. But if we get below this pivot, I wouldn't be overly bullish. Toby, my recommendation first is honestly keep it simple. And you're going to see a lot of different strategies, everything like that on YouTube for YouTube University. You need to find a strategy that works for you. Like my strategy works across everything. You can trade futures, crypto, stocks, does not matter. Yep. So stuff, if I'm looking for, it's not that if I'm bullish, I'm just looking for the flags. If I'm looking for a bull flag, I want to see the momentum go through the top line of the flag with momentum, with follow through. And vice versa, if I'm looking for a bear flag, I want the momentum going through the bottom line with follow through. Toby, honestly, join the Legacy Wealth Society, bro. It's completely free to join. It's a trading community for traders, by traders, helping people win in the markets each and every day. Because I realize for myself, if you don't have people around you that you can talk trading to, you're alone. Because you talk to people that aren't traders, they look at you like you have 7 heads. And I hated that feeling, so I started my own community to give people a safe place to talk trading, everything like that. And if someone jumps in the Legacy Wealth Society, we do have paid tiers. On all of the paid tiers, you get my personal strategy that I use each and every day. Smooth. So you're on Ninja Trader. You had to add it. You had to import the file in your dashboard. All right, so we just rolled over there. We just rolled over. No, 100%. I'm on live probably till 11:15. I stream Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. till 11:15-ish. And then I stream every single night. Yes, you heard that correct. Every single night for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where we talk trading, we talk life, and everything in between. Do you do eval tutoring? In the community, on all packages, there are different tiered packages. On our lowest package is $20, but you get the my full strategy, and on top of that, we do 1 call a month for the builders plan. And actually, we have a call coming up this coming Tuesday for sure. I was traveling this Tuesday, so this coming Tuesday we'll have our builders call and our profit takers call. And the voices you guys hear on these streams, other than my own, those are the market makers in the community. Yeah. So there's one of them letting you know they're there. So we do coaching calls as a group for each plan. The free side gets you into the community, gets you access to the community discussion and the motivational page. That does not get you access to the vault or any of the live calls that we do. But it gets you in the atmosphere, being around traders that are winning, so that way you can learn and grow from just being the fly on the wall. That's why it's called the observer. I want to see a flag, but we're just coming on down here. What's your biggest profit from trading? Are you talking about in a day or a week? In the chat, Nightbot posted the link. And I'll actually grab the link as well. I'll pin it actually. My biggest day was honestly like 8-9 grand in one day. Let me get our link here. Where's it at? There's our linky link. Copy. I've now been trading for a year and 7 months, but 5 of those months was me learning how to trade myself and building out my strategy that I use every day in the markets with y'all. Okay, that's annoying. So I can't post it there because I hate when my YouTube doesn't work properly sometimes. So I'll post it from my phone. All right, I just posted the link on the shorts feed stream, and I'm gonna post it on the other feed as well. Bear with your boy. Bear with your boy. There we go. The links have been posted. Join the community, boys. It's free to join. And one of my managers just called me. Let me call him real quick. Is everything good? Okay. For where? Okay. What popped up? Or what did they say? Okay. I'll be off stream here in like 15-20 minutes. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. Are we trying to do a bear flag right here? We're below this 21 EMA. What's up, Crawl? You missed it, man. Market's been moving pretty decently today. But you're here, so be careful in the markets, fam. All right, is this going to be our bear flag? I want us to come down and go through my yellow line. If it goes through the yellow line, that would be a potential short.
Your voice changed. You're like, go down and go.
The market's going to do what the market wants to do. I'll be jumping off here at 11:10. Jumping off at 11:10. I gotta handle some things for one of the businesses, so I'll be jumping off in 10 minutes here. Tonight we do have the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys lock in tonight. We're gonna have some fun like usual. We got the 5-minute and the 2-minute pulled up, Crawl. We're currently sitting right above this 21 EMA. Let's see if we lose it. Got you, Toby. We're here to make sure y'all win, so we ain't going nowhere. Come on, Bessie, do something. We got the pivot point above us sitting right 927.25.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I'm right, but like around like 24,844, it kept using it as a support. So whenever it hit over there, it takes a long, and then up top, it's at 24.96. That's when like it start going back to a short again.
Okay. Yeah, right now we're in this little zone.
So it's close to it. It's gonna hit it, then it's gonna go back towards a short.
Okay.
If you look.
Hey, if that's what it's been doing, makes it a little bit easier.
We're gonna have that liquidity. Sweet. Where is BP?
He was on the YouTube stream.
I know, but he's so quiet.
Well, he was trying to lock in. You know, sometimes when he's on and he's talking, he can't execute the same way.
He likes to talk a fair share of smack. You know what I mean? It just he keeps it on the down low.
He's on the down low. What's up, One Stop? Another day in paradise, bro. Going to the weekend green. So no complaints from my end. Shut the studio down. Listen, in 6 minutes, I'm shutting the studio down. You know what I'm saying? Like, not going to look at charts till Sunday night on the Traders Hangout with y'all, but I won't be trading until Monday. Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. I'll see a lot of y'all there. All right, we just cleared some wicks there finally. Are we getting ready to pump? Pump it up. We got the high for this session, 984. 984 It's the high for today's session so far. We have not come anywhere close to my first target to the upside from the 15-minute range. Whoever was greedy, buy money. Can't be greedy. That's one of the hardest things with trading, right? We see how fast it is to make the money. And since it's so fast, we're always willing to click the button fast. But good traders sit and wait, like snipers, waiting for their mark to cross into the scope.
I want to be a SEAL Team 6 sniper in the markets.
That's what I'm trying to create for everyone. You know what I'm saying? I want to get y'all dialed. Whereas this becomes effortless.
What's that one movie, American Sniper?
Yep. That was a true story too.
Yeah, that was dope. Pretty nuts.
Mm-hmm.
Gets me fired up. I'm trying to be like that.
Like, I want to jump in, but I'm not even going to touch it. I'm green. Up 11 grand for the week. I'm running away with the profits. I'm not giving nothing back. Well, actually, there's one account. Let me switch to this eval. I'll switch to the eval. Just to say, I traded it. We're right here at the, I'll probably wait till we hit that 25,000 mark. We hit that 25,000 mark, I may jump in.
Want to stay above it or below it?
I want to see how we react on the 25,000. Because if we tap it and reject, then we'll see if I take a short on it. But that's what I'm waiting to get touched first before I jump in. Well, actually, I'm not jumping in. It's only got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. So it's looking like it's trying to build a bull flag.
And it wants you to go out with a bang, Duane. I see that you're paying full attention. You're ready to execute.
I'm paying full attention, but I'm not ready to execute.
If this thing goes to the moon, you're gonna sit on your hands to prove a point. I don't think so.
I gotta handle stuff for one of my businesses offline, so.
Is this like the part where we thank you relentlessly for everything you've done in our lives?
No, this is not the part where you thank me.
Relentlessly.
BP, you know what I'm saying? Listen, we both been doing this for a little bit. That's why I said if you got stopped out and kept going along, wait for your next move and execute, bro.
BP doesn't get stopped out. What BP does is just like throws a bad trade once in a while just to feel like mortal. That's all.
That he does.
But I mean, in terms of the actual like stopping out, it's his choice. He just does it to make things interesting.
Bro's gotta take L's to feel mortal. That took me out. Anybody got plans for the weekend?
I'm having a big Super Bowl party. I'm having my family come over,
Oh
celebrating my son's birthdays as well.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna be cooking out and like all that stuff, but I don't really watch football after they.
Did I hear Super Bowl party?
Yeah, I'm having a birthday party for my boys. So I got the family coming over. We're gonna watch the football game. What was that?
Little Duane?
Yeah, Duane and Tristan.
Oh, okay.
Their birthdays are real close to each other, so we're just doing everything all at once.
Yeah, well, like I'll be doing the cooking. I'll be doing the cooking and the partying, but I'm not tied down to the game.
Yep. I have no dog in the Super Bowl this year, so I don't care who wins or loses.
Yeah, somebody was asking me the other day, and I'm like, I don't even know who's playing. I was like, I have no clue.
One of my old friends used to date one of the Seattle Seahawks players. Was playing this year.
Okay.
Super Bowl. He's from Minnesota, so like not too far from my town. Small world.
All right, guys, take care.
Okay. Yeah,
Have a good one, LJ.
All right, bro.
Come on, keep it going, baby. Give Duane the max.
No, I didn't get the max, but I did take another little one. It looks like it's going to keep on running. I took a trade before 25,000 just to jump in. But solid day today in the markets. So we'll take it. Toby, I'll get you added right now, fam. Let me check something before I jump off stream. Nice. All right, cool.
At the beginning of Monday, I'm going to ask you to rethink or check my VWAP, because that's insane that it's so far off. Like, what in the world?
Yes and no. It was a base hit. You know what I'm saying? I watch the momentum, and whenever I see the momentum starting to die down, I'll get out. If it keeps running after, I'm not mad because I already made a base hit. But gentlemen and ladies, I appreciate all y'all. Tonight we got the traders hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Legacy market makers, love all y'all. I'll catch y'all tonight on tonight's stream.
Cheers, Ryan.
Stay safe in the markets, everyone, and go enjoy the weekend and have a nice mental reset, folks.
You too. See you guys.
All right, guys.
Later.
See you tonight. BP, Brett, have a great one. Dylan, I'll catch y'all tonight. Be blessed, everyone.